Hello friends, welcome to your favorite channel EshtechZ. In the previous video, we have covered the introduction of Cypress, that what is the use of Cypress, why it is used in market, and the version or the its main comparison with the Selenium. Now in this video, we'll see that how to install Cypress. So we have few commands or we have few steps which you need to follow one by one. So before going to start this installation video, so please if you haven't not subscribed this channel, so please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Also please watch this video till end. So let's start with the installation. So here we have the steps. First we need to download node, then we need to set node home in environment variables, then we need to create base Cypress working folder, generate package.json, install Cypress, and download Visual Studio Code Editor. So for first step, we need to move the official site of Node.js. So this is the official site of Node.js, guys. So if you can see, there are two options coming here. First is the recommended version of Node.js and second is the latest version. So we usually choose the recommended version. So if you click on it, it will start downloading the system. Now just open it and you can double click to run this exe. Next, accept the agreement. Next, here it provides the root folder where it will install. So if you want, you can change, otherwise you can keep it as it is. Next, and install. Now you can see that Node.js successfully installed in our system. So to cross check or validate it's successfully or perfectly installed or not, so let's go to the C drive, open the profile files. Here you can see that Node.js and this is a current time. So here we have node modules, node folder and other folders. So for that we have confirmed that Node.js is installed successfully. Now we are done with our first step. Now the second point is we need to set our environment variable. So for that we need to copy this path and we need to go the system property, open advanced system setting, environment variables, and here we need to give the path. So if you can see, I already have given that node underscore home and the file path. So for you, let me delete it again. Click on new, give the node home, and here you need to paste the path and click on OK. So here it comes, OK and finish. So you are done with the node home and we are done with the Node.js. So two steps we already covered. Now the third part is we need to create a workspace. So for that you can choose any one of the folder or any drive. For me, I am again choosing the C drive under the C users, and here I am creating a new folder and giving the name as Cypress automation. So the third point, which is Cypress automation for the workspace, has been created. So we are done with the 3 points. Now the fourth is we need to install the package.json. So package.json is very important part is here. Now why to generate package.json? So all npm packages contain a file usually in the project root called package.json. This file holds various metadata and relevant to the project. This file is used to give information to npm that allows it to identify the project as well as handle the project's dependencies. So to generate package.json, we need to go our project workspace, or we can directly open the command prompt and give our project path. So here we are already in our project workspace. So I am opening the command prompt here. It automatically takes this my project path. Now here we need to run one command, which is npm init. Hit enter. So it asking me that please provide the package name. So I am providing again the Cypress automation. Enter. The version you can skip. Description, leave it, skip, keywords skip for now. You can provide any name under the author. You can provide your name. So I am providing EshtechZ. License you can skip and enter. So here you can see that your package.json is created. Now we are already done with this generation of package.json. Now it asks that is it okay, so you can give the yes or no. So yes. Now we are done with our package.json. Now if you want to check your package.json is generated or where it is found, so you can directly type the dir, which is directory, and enter. So here you can see this is your package.json, which contains 221 packages already installed. So we are done with package.json successfully. Now our next task is install the Cypress. So for this we need to open the official site of Cypress. So it's already opened here, because there is nothing better to install anything from its own official site. So here we are on our Cypress official page, and you can see the multiple options to install the Cypress via npm. So this is that, like, you need to go your project workspace or path, and then you need to run this command. So we are already in our workspace, so we can use the existing command prompt. Now you can see that npm install cypress --save -dev. So here npm install cypress, so this command will download or install the Cypress, and then --save -dev. So this command will save it in package.json. So we need to copy this command and paste under our this command prompt. So let's copy it. Open your command prompt, and we are paste here and enter. So you can see it is start install all the packages and download it here. So here you can see that it start downloading the Cypress, and then once it will done with the 100%, it will start the unzipping Cypress, and then it will finishing the installation. So guys, it will take some time, so you need to keep patience for that. Now the installation has been finished, and you can see that it's finished with in this particular location. So now we are done with our Cypress installation. Now the last step which is remaining is we need to download the Visual Code Studio. So for that, again we are moving to the official site. Now this is the code.visualstudio.com. So here we can see that this is the option of Windows, then Ubuntu, Red Hat, and for Mac users. So as my operating system is a Windows, so you can directly click on it, and once you click on it, it will start the downloading in your system. So this is what okay, now cancel it, because I already installed or downloaded in my system. So let me open it. So this is what we have, the Visual Code Studio. So need to double click. Again you need to accept the agreement. Next, install. So Visual Code Studio is installed in my system successfully. So finish. It will open automatically. So this is the welcome screen of Visual Studio Code Editor. So just cancel it. And if you remember that we have already been create one folder under our workspace, so let's open that folder. So we need to go the C drive, users, and here you can see this Cypress automation. Select that folder. Now here it is. So we can see that node modules, package log.json and package.json. So that's it guys with this video. So we covered like how to install the Cypress node, then set up work like environment and other stuff. So in the next video we'll see that how to write the code and run it through the Visual Studio Code Editor. So thank you. Please subscribe the channel, like, share, comments, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you. Happy learning.